You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. That's a fascinating word, but the pronunciation is impossible, or at least, yeah, it is possible, but it's confusing at first. This is a complicated word to say: nail biting. Onychophagia is usually how it's pronounced, even though an alternate correct pronunciation in English is onychophagia. Both pronunciations are correct, so you either say gia at the end or ja, right? Onychophagia or onychophagia. It's very, very similar. I'd pick myself the first one, onychophagia. Onychophagia is another word for nail biting, and now you know how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.